Shalom, 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 everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to ITC. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my page. I hope you all are doing great. Today, I am going to be going over two stocks that I'm going to be focused on today. When it comes to the stock market, the two that I'll be going over is Micron and Apple. As we know, here we can see Micron had a huge day yesterday, as well as Apple. You can see that the market was extremely bullish. That day, as well as here's Apple. It was just extremely bullish. It was just going, and so hopefully, the momentum of that candle or that move will continue today. So let's go ahead and break that down, what that looks like. As you all know, how I tend to kind of set up my charts, I mark out the high, low of the day on Apple. The high of that day, I would say, was around 175.47. The low was 168.18. And that mid-range level, I would say, would be around 171.79. And again, that's for Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. And then Micron, same as well. I mark out the high, low, the resistance of that day, or the high of that day, was around 127.55. And that the low of the day was 122.08. And that mid-range level, I would say, would be like around 124.84. Again, I think that these were excellent moves yesterday, amazing moves. But let's see what the day may bring for us. With Micron, let's go ahead and break that down just to see where we're at. Just to break that down, pre-market, we have some movement during pre-market. Obviously, we are in our areas of interest. The area of interest would be in between these zones. And again, our key levels are the high that I'm focused on right now, is the high and mid-range level of the market right now. Again, depending on where the price is during pre-market, will determine where I would typically get in. If price were to open up and bounce off this level, I would be looking for calls to bounce right back up into this the high resistance of the 127. But again, if the price opens up and starts to tank down to this level, I would be looking for calls as well, back up to this mid-range level and possibly back up to this previous day high. Now, if market opens and it doesn't touch this key level and it starts to rip up to this resistance, there's a possibility that there may be some opportunity to buy puts. We don't know. I don't know. No one knows. I'm just going with my plan and basically kind of like what I see. Market may open and then just hit this mid-range level and rip. We never know. So with that being said, just kind of like be cautious of where the price is. It is in our mid-range level. So just kind of like keep an eye out for that. As well as for Apple. So let's go ahead and break down Apple and see where it's at here. Apple, we are in the range, as you can see. Let me go ahead and tighten this up. We are in our range, our upper range. I do have my stop loss charted out. But again, depending on where the price goes for Apple, if it starts to rip up towards this previous resistance, I will be trying to look for puts back down to this mid-range level or this support, and vice versa. If it rips down to this mid-range level, I will be looking for calls for the price to continue to rally up to this level and possibly continue. But again, with me, I tend to just focus on my levels. If it hits this level, I'm focused to get out on this level. If anything, I may keep a runner going, but again, I tend to try to just follow my rules, set my price, get in, out, and I'm done for the day. I'm not trying to get rich overnight. I'm trying to take my journey and my trading journey serious. I am starting with small capital. My trading account is not massively huge. So again, when it comes to getting contracts, I'm at a space right now where I'm solely just focused on maybe one or two contracts, depending on how much they cost. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to follow my plan, follow my plan, and just stick with my guns. Just to throw this out there, I know I should have said this in the beginning. Again, my name is Kendrick McMillan. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not a professional. Everything I say is all of my opinions and thoughts when it comes to what I see in the charts. So please take what I say, use caution, use caution when it comes to the information that I give. This is just kind of like me charting out and recording my process and my journey when it comes to the stock market. I hope this helps. I hope you're all able to make some money within the stock market today. Remember, today is Friday, so just keep that in mind. With that being said, you all have a blessed day. Remember to scale out and pay yourself. And yeah, you all have a blessed day. All right. Those that are spiritual, those that are spiritual or in that spiritual space, remember to keep the commandments. Remember to live your life righteous. Remember to keep the Most High first. And we do what we do. And we do what we do because we're trying to reach the blessings of the Most High. And so, but with that, we must keep the commandments. We must do our part. All right. Again, this page and this video is not just about the stock market or making money. It is also to try to encourage and inspire, help motivate people that are in need. All right. With that being said, sorry if I spoke and rambled a little bit there, but again, I want everyone to be encouraged, continue to strive for excellence, and you all have just a blessed day. All right. Talk to you soon. I'll see you later in the next video. Blessings.